Good afternoon, beta. Today we'll do story sums exercise 12.4. First, solve these story sums. A basket of apples was bought for rupees 475 and later sold at a profit of rupees 57. What was the selling price of the basket of apples? Here we have given bought, means this is a cost price. So CP of basket of apples is 478 and profit rupees 57, and we have to find out selling price means SP. This is CP, this is profit, and we have to find out SP. In previous exercise you learned the formulas. Let's have a quick revision. SP is equal to CP plus profit. SP is equal to CP minus loss. If you have to find out CP, formula is SP minus profit. CP is equal to if loss is given, formula is CP is equal to SP plus loss. Question number 1. We have given cost of apples, basket of apples is rupees 478 and profit is rupees 57. You know the formula? Yes, SP is equal to CP plus profit. We'll add profit to CP. If we'll add, we will get SP, that is rupees 535. You have done all this type of questions in exercise 12.3 now. These are same questions as you have done in exercise 12.3. Question number 2. A desktop bought for rupees 32,000 and sold after 3 years at a loss of 4,979. At what price was it sold? A desktop bought for rupees, bought means this is the CP, cost price, 32,000. CP of a desktop is rupees 32,000. Loss is 4,979 and we have to find out SP. SP is equal to CP minus loss is the formula you have learned. Now 32,000 minus 4,979, answer is rupees 27,021. How you can subtract? 32,000 minus 4,979. Subtract 1, carry 1, 10 minus 9, 1, 2, 0, 11, 7, 2. Answer is 27,021. Question number 3. A table was sold for rupees 2,756. The shopkeeper made a profit of rupees 596 on the whole transaction. What was the CP of the table? A table was sold. Sold, it means this is the SP. Sold means SP. SP, CP, we have to find out, SP, profit, we have to find out CP. SP, profit, we have to find out CP. SP of table, rupees 2,756. Profit, rupees 596. CP. Formula of CP is SP minus profit. Subtract 596 from 2,756. Answer is rupees 2160. 2,160. Question number 4. Jatin incurred a loss of rupees 1475 on selling a carpet for rupees 14,000. What was the cost price of the carpet? Jatin incurred a loss of, Jatin made a loss of rupees 1,475. This is loss. Selling, SP. SP, loss, we have to find out CP, cost price. Question is, what was the cost price of the carpet? It means you have to find out CP of the carpet. We have given SP of a carpet, we also given loss, and we have to find out CP of a carpet. SP of a carpet rupees 14,000, loss 1475, CP is equal to SP plus loss. We have to add 14,000 plus 1475. Answer is rupees 15,475. If you have learned all formulas, it will be easy to do all the sums, all story sums. Question number 5. Geeta bought a double bed for rupees 15,790 and spent rupees 1250 on its transportation. Geeta bought means CP, cost price of double bed is this, and spent, first he bought double bed, then he spent rupees 1250 on transportation. गीता ने जो था वो बेड कहीं दूसरी जगह से मंगाया था. अब जो उसने मंगाया तो देखो ट्रांसपोर्ट चार्जेस लगते हैं ना, तो ट्रांसपोर्ट चार्जेस वाज 1250. इट मीन्स दिस इज द CP, दिस इज द ओवरहेड चार्जेस. फर्स्ट विल फाइंड आउट एक्चुअल CP, वी विल ऐड बोथ, then we'll get actual CP. Loss, we have to find SP. First we'll find out actual CP, or you can say total CP. CP of a double bed is rupees 15,790, spent on transportation rupees 1,250. Actual CP, this is actual CP. Actual CP will add 0 plus 0 0, 9 plus 5 14, 1 carry over, 10, 1 carry over, 7, 1. So actual CP is rupees 17,040. Loss 1,275. We have to find out SP. SP is equal to CP minus loss. 17,040 minus 1275. Answer is 15,765. Beta, if you have learned all formulas, it will be easy to do all the sums. Now your homework is complete exercise 12.4. Bye bye. Have a nice day.